Welcome to the Markdown cheat sheet. This video covers headings, links, code blocks, tables, and GitHub extensions. Keep this as your quick reference for writing documentation and README files. Headings use hash symbols. 1 hash for heading 1, 2 for heading 2, and so on up to 6 levels. For text formatting, wrap words in double asterisks for bold, single asterisks for italic, and tildes for strike-through. Links use square brackets for the text and parentheses for the URL. Add a title and quotes for hover text. Images use the same syntax, but with an exclamation mark at the start. Reference-style links keep your text clean by putting URLs at the bottom. Use dashes or asterisks for unordered lists. Indent with 2 spaces to create nested items. Ordered lists start with numbers followed by a period. GitHub supports task lists using square brackets with an X for completed items and empty brackets for incomplete ones. Inline code uses single backticks around the text. For code blocks, use triple backticks with a language tag for syntax highlighting. Always specify the language like JavaScript, Python, or Bash. Without a language tag, you lose color highlighting. Tables use pipes to separate columns and dashes for the header row. Each column needs at least 3 dashes in the separator. For alignment, add colons on the left for left align, right for right align, or both sides for center align. Block quotes start with a greater than symbol. You can nest them with multiple symbols for deeper levels. Horizontal rules use 3 dashes, asterisks, or underscores on a line by themselves. Use backslash to escape special characters like asterisks and hash symbols. GitHub supports special alert callouts inside block quotes. Use exclamation mark note for helpful information, tip for advice, warning for critical warnings, and caution for danger. These render with colored boxes and icons on GitHub. Footnotes use a caret and number in square brackets. Define the footnote content at the bottom of your file. Collapsed sections use HTML details and summary tags. This is perfect for hiding long code examples or optional information in your documentation. GitHub renders Mermaid Diagrams inside code blocks tagged with Mermaid. You can create flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and Gantt charts using simple text syntax. This is a powerful way to add visual diagrams without any external tools. Every good README needs a few key sections. Start with the project name and a short description. Add installation instructions with a code block, then a usage example. Include a contributing section and a license. This template works for most projects. Table alignment gives you control over how text sits in each column. A colon on the left means left aligned, which is the default. A colon on the right means right aligned, good for numbers. Colons on both sides center the text in the column. Most Markdown renderers support syntax highlighting for dozens of languages. Common tags include JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Rust, Kotlin, Go, Bash, SQL, and JSON. YAML and TML are also supported. Using the right language tag gives you proper color highlighting in your code blocks. Use the diff language tag in code blocks to show added and removed lines. Lines starting with a plus sign show additions in green. Lines starting with a minus sign show removals in red. This is perfect for code reviews and showing changes in your documentation. GitHub supports emoji in 2 ways. Use shortcodes like :rocket:, or paste Unicode emoji directly. Shortcodes work on GitHub, but not all Markdown renderers. Unicode emoji work everywhere. Use them in commit messages, PR descriptions, and README files. Here are quick tips for better Markdown. Always leave blank lines before headings and lists. Use reference-style links when the same URL appears multiple times. Preview your Markdown before committing to catch formatting issues early. Avoid these common Markdown mistakes. Missing blank lines before headings and lists breaks formatting. Wrong table separators with fewer than 3 dashes break the entire table. Spaces and image paths cause broken links, so use %20 or rename your files. That wraps up the Markdown cheat sheet. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more developer content. See you in the next video.